For anyone really thinking about joining the community, I think, one, do it.
Go for it.
Invest in yourself.
Go with your gut.
You can do this if you put the time and the effort in.
I finally made the leap, and it was the best investment that I've ever made.
I've learned so much from Pollock and Nitty, just the best husband and wife team that you can learn from.
I love how they break down the actual information and they present it to you.
Before I joined the community, my investing activities were all over the place, and the program helped me focus.
The process has been streamlined for you, so then you're able to succeed much quicker, much faster, and with less mistakes.
You cannot be a master at everything yourself, and so it's good when people come together and we can all learn from each other.
The framework that this community gives you, it gives you that start to finish of how to leverage the BRRRR process.
We didn't want to take the time, 2-3 years to recreate the wheel and learn it. We wanted to learn from someone that's already done it.
Having Pollock and Nitty to tap into their wisdom and their wealth and their experience, that is huge. That's something I couldn't have accomplished on my own.
My biggest takeaway from the community has actually been the community itself.
I've made so many connections and so many friends.
My real estate bestie, I met her through open spaces. If I'm in a up or a down or whatever it is, she has my back.
There's so much support.
You have people to lean on when you have a problem.
The ability to connect with other people.
Sharing resources, learning from them, bouncing ideas with them, venting to them, it's priceless.
I wouldn't be where I am today and own 3 multifamily properties if I hadn't joined this community.
If you're coming into real estate for the first time, it just works better to have a mentor and someone to guide you and direct you.
This is something I wish I knew about years before I did it.
A year from now, you'll be wishing that you did, and you'd be wishing that you started, versus a year from now, you can be, several properties in and increasing your net worth tenfold.